In this video, I'm going to show you a complete marketing system with all of the online tools you need to build an amazing business from scratch. It has everything you need from email list building management with autoresponder, web page builder, link tracker, traffic generation, and more. If you're interested, then you need to watch until the end of this video. Hi, Herbivores here from herbivores.net, helping you how to have a profitable online business. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. If you're an online marketer, you'll probably notice the importance of having an online marketing system in place. You need tools that can help to manage your list and build your business. But finding all of these tools is difficult and time-consuming. LeadsLeap has taken the pain out of finding of these tools for you by providing them in one place for free. Alright, so welcome to LeadsLeap review and bonuses. So right now we are here on my bonus page. So you can check all the details about this LeadsLeap by clicking the link below. So first, what is LeadsLeap? LeadsLeap is a complete marketing system with all of the online tools that you need to build an amazing business from scratch. It has everything from email marketing list management with autoresponder, with web page builder, link tracker, traffic generation, and more. And you can use it for free. So LeadsLeap is designed to cater a wide range of audience. Or you are involved with affiliate marketing or a network marketer, you can use this tool for your business. So they also offering a LeadsLeap Pro, wherein you need to subscribe for only $27 per month. So this is optional, but I highly recommend if you want to scale up your business and if you want to earn 50% affiliate commission instead of 25% if you are a free member and if you want to promote this marketing system. Plus, I also prepare some bonuses that you can get if you register under my affiliate link. So first, to access this marketing system, all you need is to click the button on my bonus page, and you will be redirected on the website of LeadsLeap, wherein this website was started 2008, and every year they're adding some new features on their platform. So you can get a free lifetime membership if you register, and there's a lot of testimonials from satisfied customer. Okay, you can read on the testimonial page by clicking on this many more testimonial, and you can also check the comments on the blog. So they have more than 171.4k members. More and more people are joining with this platform. So right now, let me show you the members area. Okay, so if you register as a free member, so you can use these post free credits. Okay, so by clicking the ads on the right side, like this one, so you can earn free credits, and those credits, you can use those free credits to promote your website. And also by rating these ads, okay, just surf and earn every 5 seconds. Okay, the more you click with these ads, the more credits you will earn. And also you can use these social reviews, so you can post a review about a website or about a software, or if you have your own business, so you can create a review, so you can get some free traffic through the community of LeadsLeap. Okay, and also you can use this email marketing system, the Send Steed. Okay, you can create a new list, and also you can broadcast your leads, and also you can create a lead capture page or a landing page using this page builder here in LeadsLeap. But if you are a free member, you can only create 10 pages. Okay, and also you can create a pop-up form and use it on your website, like this one on my website. So if someone visit my website, if they move their mouse, so there's a pop-up form, and I can get those leads. Okay, you can set up this pop-up by giving away a lead magnet, a free ebook, or a free training. Okay, so you can get leads using those pop-up, and also you can earn a daily cash bonus. Okay, by clicking these ads, okay, at least minimum 10 ads on your dashboard, so you can check the checklist, okay, wherein by learning how to advertise your business, on how to build your business using this platform, okay, and on how to use these SERP ads, these social reviews, on how to get free traffic using this platform. Okay, just click this one on your dashboard, and you can also check your stats about your promotion. Okay, so by clicking this my click and credit start stats, so you can check all the stats on your website. Okay, so by clicking this post pre ads, so you can click on this add a new ad, then you can add your website, your title, and add your image, and then you can select this auto mode. If you have credits, those credits are automatically converted into traffic to visit your website. Okay, so that's how easy to use this platform, and also a link tracker, a rotator. Plus, you can also promote this platform as an affiliate if you are a free member, so you will earn 25% on every person who will upgrade their account. Okay, if you want to create a limited page builder, and also if you want to set up a automated autoresponder, so all you need is to upgrade your account, okay, and enjoy all the features of a pro member. Okay, you can also compare the benefits of a free member and a pro member. Okay, if you click this upgrade to pro, okay, as a pro member, you can also promote at least 10 websites. So these are special ads that will be rotated on the system 24/7. Okay, so you don't need to click on these ads to gain credit to promote your website. So as a pro member, so you can promote at least 10 websites. Okay, so that's what I like with this pro account. Okay, and also you can earn 50% recurring commission when your direct referrals on the level 1 will upgrade into pro. Plus, you can get a free sign-ups, okay, or free user, okay. So right now I'm here on my account. So this is a pro account, okay. As you can see, you can click on this post pro ads to add your website, okay. So right now, as you can see on the screen, so I have 10 websites. So one of my website, I already get 90 visitors, so the other one is 119 visitors. Through this pro ad, so I can get traffic and also signups and sales with my offers. So if you register for free, so you can get my exclusive bonuses that you can use on your business. Okay, like the bonus number one, I'm giving away a free affiliate marketing training and also a traffic warrior. These are 10-part video series, and you can learn how to get a targeted traffic to your website, plus the startup survival kit, and also the bonus page template share code. Okay, so you can use this template and edit it and use it on your business. Okay, so I hope you learned something with this short video. And if you want to get started, just click the link below and register for free on LeadsLeap. So thanks so much, and God bless.